Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm here in Arambol, which is one of the most happening places in Goa right now. So I'm at the moment at the Arambol market. So this is the main beach road. I'm going to be showing you what's open on this road. It's definitely got a cool vibe here. As I've been walking down the street, it's been full of foreigners. I don't know, I feel like I'm in a foreign country at the moment, and you have a lot of people from different countries and different cities all over India as well. So we are going to go down this road and check it out. If you're new to my channel, I'm a local YouTuber from Goa itself, so I can give you the best videos and the latest videos. So let's go and check out this amazing place, guys, and see what's open. Okay guys, so we're starting to go down the road at the moment. So there's a supermarket at the starting of the road. They have all these herbal stuff as well, and there's this really chill cafe which is here. So let me just show you this cafe. So the name of the cafe is Cafe Black Pearl. So it's really cool, and so as you can see, the shops are open here. So you have different things, sunglasses 150 rupees, and they have a lot of handicrafts, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Okay, so let's just look around here, and this is some really cool stuff. So as you can see, they have some basically like brass kind of things, and these are $100 over here, and you have different other ones as well. So this is really cool. They have dream catchers as well, and the whole shop is filled with these kind of stuff, and they have really cool earrings as well. So everything starts off from 100 rupees. So look at that, how cool is that? So right now it is 1:18 in the afternoon. They have D'Souza wine store here, so if you want to buy a couple of drinks, this is a good place to get some. So I was really excited to come here because I knew that everything is open, and it's a really cool place. Look at this. So they have all these different kinds of outfits, and you have the home outfits, you have all these different skirts and palazzo kind of pants. Bhaiya, price क्या है? Palazzo का starting क्या है?
250 से start.
Okay, so the palazzo pants start from 250, and the shirts?
Shirts?
Yeah, yeah.
300, 350.
350.
सब अलग-अलग प्राइस.
Acha, okay. So all these start at 300, and the other ones are 250 over here. So cool, guys. They have a lot of different ones. We'll just see the different items they have. Okay, so yeah. So let's head on to the wine stores. More wine stores here. So these are really cool. These pocket size ones. I always buy those. Some of the other shops here are closed at the moment, but by the next couple of weeks everything should be opening up. So this is the main beach road, and by November, December, this place is completely packed. So you have FedEx couriers over here and more wine stores. You have a cute little coffee shop here, which is called Coffee Shop. Okay. So coffee shop. So we'll just keep on walking down the street and see what else is open. So the thing about this place is the vibe, guys. The vibe is so cool. So they have shawarma. So if you can see here, these are the rates of shawarmas here. So it's different foods, and if you're a vegetarian, so they have all these kinds of foods as well. This place is really cool. I think it's a showroom in season time. At the moment it's closed. You can book airline tickets, bus tickets here, and they have a cyber cafe in case you need to print your tickets or anything. So this is the main stretch of the beach. So as you can see in the distance, that's the beach, and they have more wine stores here. and this is called German bakery. This is very, very popular. So German bakery, and they have all these different shops. So German bakery is definitely one of the coolest, and you can buy cigarettes and stuff here. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, so German bakery has a lot of cool bakery items. Here you have more shops that have just started to open up. Wine store right at the beach. So once you enter the beach, you can see. So they have these. Let's look at these. These are cool. How cool are these? You want to say hi? Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Where are you guys from?
We are from Bombay.
Okay, Bombay.
Yeah.
So I'm from
What
Goa.
about you?
I'm from Goa.
From Goa? Oh,
Yes,
nice.
yeah. So, oh, yeah, some nice people from Bombay. And yes, so we have different things, and we're heading on right onto the beach. They have a shack which is open with some beach chairs here. So you can watch my whole video on the beach on my next video, guys. So that is it from here in the Arambol market, guys. So definitely do like and subscribe. So guys, that is it from Arambol market here, and we'll be doing another video right now of the Arambol beach. So definitely check it out on my channel. If you're new, please do subscribe, and I'll be doing a lot more videos of Goa. So definitely keep watching, guys.